So far, we've gotten two equations for the angular frequency, which is equal to the square root of g over L, and the angular frequency is equal to the square root of, what is it, k over m? Yes. The square root of k over m. This was for a pendulum. And this was for a mass spring system. Now, I don't like to do this, but I do it for you, my students. Here's the thing. There are times when on multiple choice and even free response questions, having these two memorized and just using them is very helpful to you. So I will allow you to memorize and use these two equations. You can simply use them. Because it will end up, in the long run, saving you time and energy when you're taking the AP test, and you'll, in the end, do better, which is, I guess, the whole point. So please, memorize these. For the record, you also have to be able to derive them. However, having them memorized is also quite helpful.
Well, you want to derive them for the test?
Yeah, like derive them for the test, derive them for the AP test, yes. There are instances, there have been several instances on the AP test where you have to derive something that looks like this. Of course, there have been instances where you have to know how to derive this so you can derive something else that's very much like this. You know, which is what they do on the AP test. You'll discover that there are similar things in electromagnetism as well that work just like this, that are equally as simple as this.